Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. This is a really quick and simple DIY. This is great for girls, if you have girls, and that is these heart headbands. I've been making a ton of these. My girls wear them to school and their friends have asked for some, so that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm making one for all of their friends. Here are a few that I made. These are super cute, super simple. And you don't even need like a ton of supplies. Most of this stuff I got from like the headbands itself, I just got from Dollar Tree. But just so this video don't just, drag out, we're gonna go ahead and get up into this craft. But you guys, these are like super, super, super cute. I really like the blue one. The blue one has like shimmer and sparkles. I'm not sure if you could see it. Probably can't, but you know what? It's cute. So let's go ahead and get into this now. Okay, so to first start this craft, of course you're going to need headbands, a glue gun. I'm going to use my sizzix die cutter. I purchased this heart die from eBay not too long ago, and some type of either fabric, felt, leather, whatever you want to put through your machine to cut. And yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be making a headband using the biggest heart that I got right here. So what I did is I made like a little cutout template. That way I know exactly what size it is that I need to cut out for my material. That way I'm not wasting too much fabric. And this is one that I already did. Now this one has different size hearts, but it's pretty much going to be this big right here. So as you can see here, I have all of my colors and fabrics already cut out. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much take them all through the machine right now. Alright you guys, so I got my glue gun heating up, and while my glue gun is heating up, I have my two hearts for my two bands. So what I'm going to do now is just figure out, I guess, the layout I'm going to be doing it in. Okay. I'm trying to figure out if I actually want to include these pinks. I don't think I do. Okay, yeah, I think I just want to make it like that. Yeah, okay, I'm going to do it like that. All right, so in each headband, it has like an end point where they pretty much put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that point first. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue on the headband. Come on, you should be heated up enough now. All right. Make sure that it's in the middle as best as you can. And then what I also did was I went on ahead and cut out, where the freak did I put them? I went on ahead and cut, oh, right here, and cut out my just white felts, and that's what I'm going to use to secure it on the back. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on, and then I'm going to pretty much place it, you know, on the back to secure it to the headband. And that just makes it, you know, stay intact. Just going to match it up. And then press it down. And that's pretty much all you do. And I'm going to keep doing that all the way around. All right, you guys, and that is pretty much it. That is how they turned out. I think they look cute. Look at that. Can you even see the glitter in this one? This one is glittery. Oh well. Cute craft, easy craft, simple craft, and you can sell these. Look at that. Super cute, super adorable. My girls love them. She wanted me to make one for her and her friend, so this is for her and her friend. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.